guys, today I'm so excited because we're gonna open this Humpty Dumpty surprise egg. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I'm so excited. I never opened the Humpty Dumpty egg. Just Kinder Joys, chocolate eggs. Ugh. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Open it up. There you go. There you go. I open it. Ooh. So it's in these. Okay. Ooh, the toy. It's like a Kinder Joy too. Here it is. We've got a toy. Open it up. Ooh. Who's it? So hard to get out. I don't know if who's it. Don't have any checklist or something. What in the world? Who is this? Oh, there's a checklist. Ooh, this is the cow, deer or something. It's kind of lame because it says Humpty Dumpty, and I thought there's gonna be candies. There you go. Oh no. Put this up. Here you go. And you can hang out with the Shopkins. Super, super cool too. Let's check out these. What's the food? Is it like Kinder Joy? Well, I don't want to eat Kinder Joy anymore. Oh, it's like, I forgot what Kinder Joy looks like, but it's like in these pack. That's super duper cool too. And there's a little deer stickers here. You can stick anywhere. Kind of like sticking here. Every video I got and just show up like that. So anyways, this is the surprise. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Hope you subscribe, leave a comment down, and like. Bye guys.